Captions in Descript read your transcript. So the words here on the left that were transcribed from your voice will get displayed on the screen as the video plays. So to add them, you just go to Captions right here on the right side, and you have all these different presets, and you can use these exactly as they are, or you can use them as starting points. So all of these colors can be changed, all of these fonts can be changed, and you can apply different effects to them. But let's go ahead and apply this one. For example, it says impact yellow. All I do to apply it is click on it. It says applying layout, and it already applied. And this applied throughout the whole video. If I wanted it to apply only in my first scene, I could have clicked on this thing right here and said only this scene, and then it would only be in scene 1, the scene that I'm currently in. But then to change it, I can click on it, and then I get this menu box above it, and I can change the font with this left option here, and I can choose from any of Descript's fonts, or I could add my own with this little cloud button. You can change the weight of it. You can change the size of it. Currently it's 60. You can change the color of it. Change it to red. You can change the animation effect. So currently it turns the active word into yellow, but I could turn that effect off. I could add a background to it. All sorts of different stuff you can do there to make it look like a karaoke machine, or make it just look like a standard boring subtitles. You can do all of that in those settings. If you like this video, be sure to check out this one next to go deeper with Descript.